This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Elon Musk confirms more delays on the Cybertruck. Popular news outlet CNET reveals that some of its articles were written by AI, and Samsung hints at their new Galaxy Ultra expected to be revealed at their Unpacked event. During the company's Q4 earnings call, Elon Musk announced that the Cybertruck will not reach full production until 2024. Despite confirming that manufacturing will begin sometime this summer, mass production will not start until next year. This is yet another delay, as the Cybertruck's production has been delayed several times since its original announcement in 2019. Industry experts have warned that the timeline needs to be accelerated for the Cybertruck to have its desired impact in the market. Additionally, Tesla has started installing the necessary production equipment for the Cybertruck's assembly at its Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. In other news, Dell has acquired Cloudify, an Israeli startup that has developed a platform for cloud orchestration and infrastructure automation. Cloudify's tools are used by cloud architects and DevOps engineers to manage containers, workloads, and more across hybrid environments. The value of the deal is not being disclosed, but sources have indicated that it's worth between $70 and $100 million. The acquisition will allow Dell to further innovate its edge offerings. This is not the first time that Dell has made an acquisition in the Israeli market, having acquired Exanet in 2010, which formed the basis of an R&D operation in the country. Cloudify's platform allows DevOps engineers to integrate and manage different products they are already using and automate them to work together. With customers such as AT&T, Cox, Accenture, and many more, Cloudify was seen as a challenge to Dell in more than one way. Samsung is expected to announce its Galaxy S23 lineup at its next Unpacked event on February 1st. The head of Samsung's mobile experience business has teased that the upcoming Galaxy will focus on camera, performance, and sustainability. He also confirmed that the camera will be getting smarter and performance will be getting more powerful. Samsung also recently announced its new 200 megapixel camera sensor, which may be included in the Galaxy S23 lineup. It is also suggested that the Galaxy S23 will include parts sourced from repurposed materials, and that Samsung will offer several years of Android software updates for these new devices. News outlet CNET has issued corrections on a number of articles that it describes as substantial, after using an AI-powered tool to help write dozens of stories. CNET's editor-in-chief has said in an editorial on Wednesday that the outlet has since hit pause on using the AI tool to generate stories. CNET used an internally designed AI engine, not ChatGPT, to help write 77 published stories since November. This amounted to about 1% of the total content published on CNET during the same period, and was done as part of a test project for the CNET Money team to help editors create a set of basic explainers around financial service topics. Despite the issues, the editor-in-chief left the door open on resuming the use of AI tools, stating that we've paused and will restart using the AI tool when we feel confident that the tool and our editorial process will prevent both human and AI errors. Finally, IBM and SAP are the latest tech companies to announce job cuts as they reorganize their businesses and profits come under pressure from a slowing global economy. IBM announced on Wednesday that it would cut 1.5% of its global workforce, or around 3,900 positions, in relation to the previous announced spin-off and sale of its two business units. The move will cost the company about $300 million this quarter. SAP, Europe's largest software company, will cut 2.5% of its global workforce of $112,000, or around 2,800 employees, according to an earnings report published on Thursday. The restructuring will cost between €250 million and €300 million, and the company's shares were down 3.3% in Frankfurt. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.